How to add Spotify music to Instagram story with background. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Spotify music to Instagram story with background. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Here, tap on the settings icon on your top right. Then select the option of playback. Here, you'll find the option of canvas. Make sure to turn this toggle on. After that, open your selected song. Tap on this arrow icon. Then tap on Edit from your top right corner. Now you can select the color of the background. Hit the Done button to continue. Now select the option of Instagram Story from the given options. Instagram account will be opened. Here, tap on this arrow to continue posting your story. Hit the Share button. So this is how you can add Spotify music to Instagram Story with background. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.